We divide 710 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 1 and it is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 710 divided by 5 is 142. So this much for today and thanks for watching.